Hi you guys, welcome to my grocery haul video for this week. I'm going to share with you everything we got for our groceries for the whole week for my family of 4, me and my husband and my 2 boys. So this is what we're having for breakfast, lunch, and dinners, everything you see. And I will share with you my meal plan as well so it can give you some ideas of what to make for dinner. So let me show you all of the groceries. So here are all of the groceries, everything I got in our grocery pickup this week. I was a little bit over budget at $220, but last week I was really under budget, so it all kind of evens out. So I will start over here and share with you everything I got, and then after that, I will share with you our meal plan of what we're having for dinners this week. So this is my new obsession, as you can tell, because I got a ton of it. This Chobani zero sugar Greek yogurt milk and cookies. It is so good. It's like Oreo ice cream, like crazy, like cookies and cream ice cream. So good. I absolutely love it. So I got 2 4-packs. It doesn't come in the bigger size. And then this is the yogurt that my husband likes. He adds walnuts and blueberries to it. The Walmart that I went to today is a different one, but I really like it. It's about 10 minutes further than my regular Walmart, but they only have these small ones in this brand, not the big tubs. So that's fine. They're even more convenient. And then I got my favorite drink enhancer. I get this almost every week because I really go through it. Pineapple mango. You just squirt a little bit in your water and it makes me drinking water so easy. Like I can drink a ton of water, over a gallon a day. And I try not to put this in all of my water because it's too good. So it's probably not super great for me. I should just have regular water, but I definitely use it a few times a day. A big box of eggs. We go through a ton of eggs. They're getting a little bit more expensive lately. This box of 60 eggs was $18 this week. Last week it was $13. So hopefully it does not go up much more. Got some butter that we needed. Salami for my husband puts in his lunches, but also I put in the boys' lunches that I pack for them for school. I got some ground beef. We're going to do smash burgers. It was requested to do some smash burgers again for dinner. Sliced cheese, of course, for those burgers and for sandwiches throughout the week. I got 2 packs of chicken. I have a couple chicken recipes I'm going to make this week that I will share with you in my crock pot video coming up. And my husband does chicken in his lunches as well. We grill up a pack of chicken for sandwiches and salads. I got some blueberries here. This sugar-free barbecue sauce, this brand, G. Hughes, is absolutely amazing. I last week got a teriyaki sauce, and it's 0 sugar, really awesome, but it is so delicious. And I have been really enjoying this brand. So this barbecue sauce, I've had this one before. It is amazing. I got this sugar-free orange marmalade. I'm going to do an orange chicken in the crock pot. So I'm going to do all this sugar-free stuff to make it healthier. I just love anything that can be a little bit healthier with sugar-free. I got some meatballs. My kids are obsessed with meatballs. They will literally eat them every night. So big, huge bag. Bubbly sparkling water. This is my husband's favorite. I got the Walmart brand a couple weeks ago and he just doesn't like it quite as much. So I went back to the bubbly brand. It's just a teeny tiny bit more expensive, but not bad at all. Milk, almond milk. This is the Walmart brand Better Goods, and they have lots of new things out. So doing their almond milk now. We're going to try it for the first time. Grated Parmesan, broccoli. We go through a ton of broccoli. These yogurt tubes. My kids love these. We freeze them. If you've been around my channel, you know I get them all the time. Big bag of apples. We go through tons of apples, and they are so delicious right now. Big thing of strawberries that I put in lunches with the strawberries and blueberries in my kids' lunches. I got some cutie oranges. I am in charge of soccer snack bags this week, so I will share with you everything I'm putting in their snack pack for the soccer team. But I'm going to do these cutie oranges. Cherries, we are absolutely obsessed with cherries. I hope that they stay in season. I know that the season is about to end, but they are so good. I wish that they would stay fresh forever. I got some zucchini down here. I got this zero sugar yellow cake. I got a zero sugar brownie last week by Pillsbury, and it was pretty good. My kids liked it more than I did. So I'm gonna try the zero sugar cake mix this time. I got a bunch of canned goods stuff down here, diced tomatoes, corn, beans, kidney beans, so stocking up on the pantry there. I got some basil for one of my crock pot recipes, some fajita seasonings. My kids, they beg for fajita chicken like all the time. Graham crackers. It takes us a long time to go through a box of graham crackers, but they're a really nice little treat for my kids, and they're not super sugary. So I wanted to make sure we got a new box of graham crackers. Popcorn. We go through a lot of popcorn. Some oatmeal. I get this big 20 pack. And so this here is Capri Sun. This is going to be for the boys' soccer treat bags for the team. And this, the Roaring Waters version of Capri Sun, is 1 total gram of sugar. So all these sports drinks and Capri Suns and all these drinks, they have so much sugar in them, and my kids just go absolutely crazy on Capri Suns. So these Roaring Water ones with 1 gram of sugar, I definitely prefer these. I don't think my kids prefer them as much. I don't think they're as flavorful as the regular Capri Sun. They're more like watered down. But I really don't care because my kids, like I said, they're just crazy on like these sugary drinks. So these are going in the soccer packs, snack packs. So we do tacos quite a bit, and especially now that we're in soccer season and we have practices twice a week in the evenings and then games on the weekend. But lots of taco nights. So we love these soft tortilla bowls. And then I just got some regular shells as well. Avocados here. Frozen edamame, which I love. You just steam it in the bag. It's a really great, just super quick veggie, or also a really good snack too. Lots of bananas. So we threw a lot of bananas. Bread and sandwich thins for lunches. I got body wash for my husband and my kids. I love that I can just get everything in my Walmart pickup and don't have to do other pickups or other orders. So it just makes things very, very convenient. And then I got 2 boxes of multigrain Cheerios, because if you buy 2, you can clip a little coupon when you're adding it into your cart and save $1. So I always buy 2 at a time to save that $1. So these are all of the groceries, and here is my meal planning book that you have seen in all of my videos like the last, 2 or 3 months. I'm obsessed with this book. So I'm writing everything down. So here are our dinners and what we're going to have. So I'm going to do chicken Caesar pita pockets. They're really yummy. Taco Tuesday, because we have soccer practice that day. Chicken fajitas, the crock pot orange chicken, and we have soccer practice that night as well. So doing a crock pot meal is very convenient. I'm going to do crock pot marry me meatballs, and I'm going to do some noodles and zucchini on the side for that. We're going to do smash burgers on Saturday with edamame. And then Sunday, we're going to a family dinner, and I'm bringing an appetizer and a pumpkin spice cake. For lunches, I'm going to be doing a teriyaki chicken rice bowl with broccoli for myself. I prep all my lunches for the week to have them ready. So I have been obsessed with, like I said, the G. Hughes teriyaki. So that will be in this meal. And then for the soccer snack bags, I'm going to be doing the low sugar Capri Sun, the little orange, a string cheese, and peanut butter crackers. So I might throw in one more little treat. We'll have to check out the pantry and see what we have. But this is everything for the week. So I hope that this grocery haul and meal plan gave you some motivation to get your groceries taken care of. If you're new to my channel, make sure you click subscribe, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye-bye.